Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need power and Bluetooth enabled. Charge the case above 50% so connection stays stable. Open the lid and press the small pairing button for 1 to 2 seconds. This tells the AirPods to broadcast. On your Android, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, then Scan, select the AirPods name when it appears. Once paired, Android will show Connected. Make sure media volume is up. This gets you immediately into an active connection without interrupting other devices. Once connected, configure the controls so double tap or press actions do what you want. Use the manufacturer app or a third-party Bluetooth utility if Android lacks options. Make sure media and call audio profiles are prioritized in Bluetooth settings and disable other conflicting profiles. Test playback, check the microphone in a quick call, and confirm in-ear detection or autoplay if supported. If latency matters, choose low-latency codecs when available. Finish by verifying stable audio across apps and by walking a short distance to confirm range. If one bud drops or audio stutters, first forget the AirPods on Android and repair. This often clears profile issues. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the pairing button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then pair again. Finally, update Android and any Bluetooth apps, and if needed, test with another phone to determine whether the AirPods or the Android device is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.